Look, the crocodile is open mouth.
Okay,
He's
so
already.
everyone, so welcome to the pens of the big crocodile. So first, big crocodile, everyone on your right side, sa baba po ninyo, pangalan po niya, Aklan. Aklan is isang lalaking saltwater crocodile, estimated age, 50 to 60 years old. Baba po niya, nasa 16 feet. Pangalan po niya, Aklan, siya po ay dinonate dito galing ng probinsya ng Aklan. Nadala po siya dito sa Palawan.
I like that. One more. It's okay.
This crocodile po we name Makmak. Makmak kasi was captured in Barangay Macarascas in northern part of Puerto Princesa. Nahuli po yan siya noong 1992 sa haba na 12 feet. So dito na po yan siya lumaki at bumaba pa ng pusko.
Oh, this is Makmak.
Everyone!
Araw po. Welcome po muli sa ating YouTube channel.
LJ Family Vlogs.
Siya po si
Mami L.
Ako po si Daddy J. At si LJ po ay kasalukuyan natutulog. Parang nocturnal animal. Nasabi kong nocturnal animal kasi nandito po tayo sa Crocodile Farm dito sa Puerto Princesa. Kaya tara, bisitahin na natin. Bisitahin na natin ang ating mga alagang crocodile.
Good afternoon everyone po. Sa Tagalog, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat pala. Alright po, so for those in front po, wag na pong lumingon. Masasaktan lang kayo. So just listen to my golden voice. Alright po, so our tour for this afternoon is the 4-hour city tour po. So we will be having our city familiarization and we will be going to 7 beautiful destinations. I think you have the lakas ngayon. Malakas po ba kayo? Did you eat your lunch? Yes, sir, oh. Alright po, so our first destination will be the Crocodile Farm. I am Raquel and I'll be your tour guide before I forgot. And our driver is Kuya Shong. Ayan, Kuya Shong.
A few moments later.
Maganda yung paliwanag doon.
You will see your cameras and cell phones, okay? So mamaya proceed lang po kayo. But everyone, before we proceed to the live crocodiles, I just want to give you some information about this skeleton and this is his real skin. So everyone, so this is Rio, male saltwater crocodile which was caught in the Rio River, Patarasa in the southern part of Palawan. He was purposely captured because he attacked a native fisherman from the area and was confirmed that he swallowed only the right leg of the victim. And then after 5 months in captivity, Rio died because of eternal bleeding and too much stress. And it's about 60 years old when he died. So for the skin, there's no commercial value anymore because ideally the one being used for making leather bags, shoes, and other products are the skin of the young crocodile, which is about 3 to 5 years old only. Because this is skin of Rio, then it's too hard and very dry for the machine to be processed. And then everyone before Rio has a record of being the largest crocodile captured from the wild. Nowadays, Lolong holds the record. If you remember, Lolong po, malala niyo po siya. Lolong has been recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records as the largest crocodile in captivity with 20.3 feet long, or around 6 meters, while Rio, 17.6 or around 5 meters. So Lolong is almost 1 meter longer than Rio. But Lolong, everyone, is not from here in Palawan because Lolong was captured in Agusan Marsh in Mindanao. And last February 10, 2013, Lolong also died because of stress. And then everyone, if you want to see Lolong, Lolong was displayed in National Museum in Manila. So doon po siya dinala at hindi po dito sa Palawan. Alright, so everyone, so our next station will be the hatchling house. But before we proceed, I just want to remind you, for your safety, hands off. So do not put your hands, again, hands off. You have a camera and cell phone, so you can take pictures anywhere, but inside of hatchling house, please turn off your flash to minimize the stress of the young crocodiles. Lastly, as we go to the fence of the big crocodiles, please take all the things not to fall inside the fence because I'm not so sure if how to get it back to you. Okay? So if you have any questions about the crocodiles, you can ask me along the way. So for now, everyone, let's proceed to the... Alright, so everyone, so inside of hatching house, you will see young crocodiles 1 to 5 years old. First two tanks, left and right, that is the Philippine crocodiles or freshwater crocodiles, and the rest, saltwater crocodile. So you can see the difference between the saltwater crocodile and freshwater crocodile by the spots. So makikita nyo po yun yung pinagkaiba po ng dalawang species base po sa kanilang balat and then sa kanilang spots sa katawan. So everyone, saltwater crocodile have a black scattered spots, while the Philippine crocodiles or freshwater crocodile have aligned black spots. Okay, so everyone, so again po inside of hatching house, you will see young crocodiles. For your safety, please hands off and then please turn off your flash if you want to take picture. Okay, pasok na po kayo sa loob and then you can take pictures na po. Here, you can read the difference between crocodile and alligator. So everyone here in the Philippines po, we don't have alligator because they cannot survive in the tropical countries. So hindi po kaya manirahan po ng mga alligator po sa maiinit na lugar. So alligator can only be found in the temperate countries like United States and then China. Crocodile and alligator, nasa isang pamilya po yan. Crocodile yan. But they have a difference. Snout of alligator is like a U shape, while the crocodiles is like a V shape. And saltwater crocodile is bigger than alligator because the maximum size of saltwater crocodile is up to 6 to 7 meters, while the alligator is 4 to 5 meters. Alright, so everyone, so if you have more time, then if you want to read more information about the crocodiles, you can come back later after our tour. So for now, let's proceed. Commercial po ng crocodile, then only saltwater crocodile lang po yung pwede po nilang gamitin. So everyone, after 5 years of all Philippine crocodiles na nandito sa loob po ng hatching house, pinapakawalan sa wild. So yun lang po yung purpose po ng project na ito. Okay? So patuloy po namin gagawin po yan dahil po ang freshwater crocodile critically endangered. Paparamihin po namin sila para po sa susunod po na generation. Para paglaki nyo po, may mga freshwater crocodiles.
Saan particular na area nyo pinapakawalan nyo?
Scattered po sa Pilipinas, sir, na meron pong protected area, katulad po sa Luzon, tsaka po sa Mindanao. Opo, sa protected area, wala akong nakakapasok po doon. Okay, so everyone, so okay na po tayo. Let's proceed to the pens of the big crocodiles. Saan po ba nila? Ayan, so sabay-sabay po tayo sasayaw. Okay, and everyone, so aside from crocodiles po, so here in the crocodile farm, meron po tayong other wildlife na inaalagaan. So everyone, that is the blue name parrot, Palawan Tope Mahina, and then gray emerald pigeon. So ito po mga birds po na to, biktima po yan sila ng poachers at illegal traders. So sila po yung mga sinurrender po dito sa loob po ng crocodile farm. Okay? So everyone, so before we proceed po, I just want to remind you again, please take all the things not to fall inside the fence, especially your cellphones po na huwag mahulog sa baba. Dahil hindi ko po kaya makipagdigmaan sa malaking crocodiles, makuha lang po yan. Okay? Alright, so okay po tayo. And everyone, please watch your step.
Look, the crocodile is open mouth.
Okay,
He's
so
already.
everyone, so welcome to the fence of the big crocodile. So first, big crocodile, everyone on your right side, sa baba po ninyo, pangalan po niya, Aklan. Aklan is isang lalaking saltwater crocodile, estimated age, 50 to 60 years old. Papa po niya, nasa 16 feet. Pangalan po niya Aklan, siya po ay dinonate dito galing ng probinsya ng Aklan. Nadala po siya dito sa Palawan noong 1989. Next crocodile, everyone on your left side, that is Marapakay. Nasa 30 to 40 years old at may haba na 14 feet. That crocodile, everyone, is from wild. need to capture because he attacked and killed a native fisherman from the area. So nakapatay. Alright, everyone, this crocodile po we name Makmak. Makmak kasi was captured in Barangay Macarascas in northern part of Puerto Princesa. Nahuli po yan siya noong 1992 sa haba na 12 feet. So dito na po yan siya lumaki at bumaba pa ng gusto.
Oh, this is Makmak.
Alright, next crocodile everyone. So this is Kalayaan po from breeding area. And he is also male saltwater crocodile. Estimated age 40 to 50 years old. And then siya po is meron pong haba na 15.29 feet long. This crocodile everyone is from breeding area. Nilipat po siya dito noong June 12, 2018. Araw po ng Kalayaan. Ayan, kasi hindi na po siya pwedeng i-breed. Alright, another one, if you can see po, they open the mouth. Naka-open na po yung kanyang bibig because they need to release the heat or the cooling off.
Okay.
Kasi crocodiles po, they have no sweat glands. Hindi po sila pinagpapawisan katulad po sa ating mga tao. So gagawin po nila yan ng 2 hours na hindi po sila napapagod.
2 hours. Akala ko ready to eat eh. Kaya naka-open yung mouth nila. Ayan o.
Okay? And then mga sa if you can notice po, the all crocodiles, they're not moved too much. Hindi po sila masyadong gumagalaw because crocodiles are nocturnal animals. So it means they are most active.
Ang laki nga niya. Ayan o. Super laki. Gumagalaw siya. Ayan. Ayan o. Super laki niya. Super haba. Daddy.
These on feed crocodiles po, we feed them 5 to 10 kilos of meat per month.
This is the crocodile farm.
Po sila pwedeng pakainin dahil po yung kailang panulaw ng
Yes,
pagkain
especially Makmak. Makmak
We
crocodile.
feed baboy, baka, manok, dan iba't ibang klaseng bata, isda. Ayan.
Oh no.
Pinapakain po namin sila ng isda. Kahit anong isda pwede po sa kanila. Okay po.
Ay na, gumagalaw siya. Babe, it's big. Ayun mo. It's moving. Ayun mo, already. Nag-hello siya. Hello, LJ daw sabi ni ano. What you call this one?
Pa lang siya.
One eternity later.
Close up yung papi. 1, 2, 3.
Kuya, yung pangalan, kuya. American phone. It's okay. How do you feel warm? Huh? Cold. So, cold? So, what? Cold. Just one.
Malambot yung ano niya eh. Balat sa ilalim.
Ayun lang. Ayun, one more.
You just smile. Smile here.
Look at mommy. Smile. Cheese. Cheese.
Oh, it's your mom's turn.
Hindi na, ayoko na.
Ako din, ganyan.
Dami yung siksikan sila, oh.
Okay. Okay. Thank you po, Cyril. Thank you po, ma'am.